Hello and welcome to Dr. D and the English course. Well, this is episode 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, B. It's part number 2 of the irregular verbs, the verbs that are not normal. You remember come, came, fall, fell, and so on. Today we get the second set. It's the G with G. You have get, okay? Like I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. The past tense is got, get, got, all right? Or I get a lot of email every day. Yesterday I got 20 emails, right? Get, got. Get up, got up. Give, you give something, okay? I give my little boy 5 books for his birthday. I give my boy a present for his birthday. Give is normal, but last year I gave, okay? Give, gave, okay? Gave, remember. You hear something. I hear a noise. There is something. Yesterday I heard. Hear, heard. It's the same writing like H-E-A-R with a D, but you say heard, not heard, okay? Hear, heard. That's why they are irregular, not normal. Go, very important word, go. I think this is the complicated word. You see, you have go. I go to work by car. I go to see my sister every week, and so on. And the past tense, nothing to do with go, it's went. W-E-N-T. Go, went. Again, I go to work every day. Yesterday I went to work. Went, past of go. Okay, ask the English people why they do that, right? Go, went, all right? So you leave the house, leave. Hello, bye-bye house. You leave the house, here is leave, and the past tense is left. I left the house at 8:30, at 9 o'clock. To leave, left. Okay, make is easy. I make a coffee, I make a tea, I make breakfast. The past tense is made, okay? Made. Make, made. So I made coffee yesterday. I made breakfast yesterday. Another important word, also with an M, is meet. I always meet new people. Meet somebody. Here with people, hello, they meet, okay? And yesterday I met a nice woman, a nice man, somebody. I meet, I met. Meet, met. Okay? I think you remember that. 2 more for today is when you are in a shop, you have to pay, you have to give money, okay? You pay money for a new television, a new tablet, or a pound of coffee, right? Pay, paid. Look at the writing, P-A-I-D. Pay with a Y, pay, and then paid, okay? And the last one is put. This is easy. It's put. So how do you know if it's present or past? Well, listen. You can put the things on the table. Put the things on the table. This is present and infinitive. Yesterday I put the book into the shelf. I put the book, and because of the yesterday, you know, it's past. I put every day. I put things yesterday. All right? Now, this is part number 2. The last part, and that's it for the irregular verbs, you will find in 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, C. In 7C. See you there. Bye-bye.